How to make money online. Making money online and working from home is something millions of people think about every day. The good news is that in 2022, side hustles on the web are actually a realistic prospect for anyone with an internet connection. Maybe you already have a full-time job and just want a side gig to focus on in your spare time. Or you might want to find part-time work to support your family with some extra cash. You may be even considering leaving your job for passive income entrepreneurship. Whatever the case, you've probably heard that working online requires minimal upfront investment and can scale quickly. It's also available to people from all walks of life. Freelancers, educators, thought leaders, influencers, coaches, and entrepreneurs all make good money online. If you're a beginner, keep watching to find out how you can join them by taking your work online this year. These are 5 steps to make money online to following this. Before moving forward, don't forget to like and subscribe our channel for future updates. 1. Become a virtual assistant. If you have a knack for organizing and planning, becoming a virtual assistant is a great way to make extra cash online. A virtual assistant job involves doing various tasks like managing social media pages, replying to emails, and taking phone calls on behalf of a business. With the number of solopreneurs increasing, virtual assistants are seeing a sharp increase in demand for their services. You can get started by applying to jobs on Upwork, Indeed, or virtual assistant jobs. VAs make around $19.36 per hour on average, according to Indeed.com. Some virtual assistants have also found success by building their own personal brand and promoting it to entrepreneurs and startups. You can follow suit by creating a Facebook business page and sprucing it up with content promoting your service. 2. Launch a YouTube channel. Ever thought of becoming a YouTuber? Nowadays, you can film unboxing videos, product tutorials, and funny skits with nothing but your smartphone. And it doesn't cost anything to set up your YouTube channel. By signing into YouTube using your Google account, you can create a new channel with your name or a custom name. As a YouTube channel owner, you'll have several opportunities to make money. Once you've reached 1,000 subscribers, you can start earning by running ads on your channel. You can also partner with brands on sponsored content, sell merchandise, or become an affiliate to monetize your YouTube channel. The key to a successful YouTube channel is to focus on one niche. You could offer beauty tutorials, review tech products, do a daily roundup of cryptocurrency prices, whatever you think will bring more views. 3. Start a dropshipping business. Consider dropshipping. Startup costs are low, and it's an increasingly popular way to make money online for beginners and pros alike. Dropshipping is a business model where you don't keep the products you sell in stock. Instead, when a customer buys something from your store, a third party fulfills and ships the order for you. Dropshippers can cash in on the latest trends and sell trending products, or there are many steady product categories that offer similar opportunities to do well. 4. Sell on Amazon. Amazon has become a marketplace that welcomes e-commerce entrepreneurs. It takes a few minutes to sign up for an account and a few more minutes to get a product listing live. The platform has a massive audience, it's a global marketplace, and it's a go-to destination for product discovery and research. Listing optimization can help your products get found and unlock new opportunities. And Amazon's in-app promotions can increase your brand's visibility for highly targeted audiences. Yet some e-commerce entrepreneurs question the long-term sustainability of selling on Amazon. While the marketplace is great for helping shoppers surface desired products, it's challenging for sellers to get their business noticed. Amazon attracts many resellers of the same products you may offer. 5. Sell digital products. Digital products carry some of the best margins of any product you can sell. The upfront costs of development can be high, but the variable costs of selling digital products is comparatively low. Once media or software is made, it isn't very expensive to deliver to customers. At its core, a digital product is an intangible asset you can sell repeatedly without restocking inventory. They often come in downloadable files such as a PDF, plugin, or interactive document. These products have become such a good source of passive income that many top professional influencers, bloggers, or public icons release digital products like guides, ebooks, templates, research findings, plans, and tutorials. Many creators make digital products to add another revenue stream to their main business, whether it be consulting, education, or memberships. You could build a presence on Twitter and LinkedIn, or build an email subscriber list to promote your products and make sales. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like and subscribe our channel for upcoming videos.